My name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code, double bass playing 16th and 8th notes. Today we combine 16th notes and 8th notes, which means 1A ender, 2A ender, 3A ender, 4A ender, 16th notes played as singles, right, left, right, left. I'll show you on the snare drum what we do later with the bass drum, with the double bass. So 16th notes. Again, open strokes, use the rebound of the head. You see it on the snare drum now, do the same on the double bass. Let your pedals bounce. One A ender, 2A ender, 3A ender, 4A ender. So, and we combine it with 8th notes. That means 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Combining them with a reading book means if you have a black spot, you have a whole group of 16th notes. That means one spot stands now for one count, for one quarter note. You have one spot, that means 1, next spot 2, next spot 3, next spot 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1A ender, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1A ender, 2 and 3 and 4 and that's black, white, white, white. 1A ender, 2 and 3 and 4 and your right foot is always on the count, always on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1A ender, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we play a constant pattern, so we have a lot of control. On the right cymbal we play constantly 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That means when you have a black spot and you play 16th notes, you're together with the right hand and the right foot. 1A enter, 1A enter. Right foot, right hand, it's the same. When you have a white spot, you play right, left, 8th notes. That means one hand is together with the right foot and one hand is together with the left foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's hear black, white, black, white. 1A and a 2 and 3A and a 4 and. Again. All right. We add the left hand just with a backbeat on 2 and 4, which means 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This workshop works with all pages in the reading book with 4 spots. So in the 4-spot section, if you go to the 16 combinations or the mix it up, that works. Don't use the 3-spot section. It's just for the first part of the book. So let's hear 16 combinations, the first 6 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. It's all about control and a cool, relaxed sound. If you want to speed it up, just try to play it still relaxed and not to put too much pressure and too much power into the pedals. If you do it like this, number 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to play it soft as well. All right, that's it for today. Have fun with it. Take your time and practice that stuff, and see you soon. Bye.